Yo, here's one of the smartest ways to make money with GotBackup. Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer now. GotBackup is one of them new network marketing opportunities that's kind of flying under the radar. A lot of people are joining this opportunity. A lot of people are making money with this opportunity, but because of the service is so simple, like it don't get all the glitz and glam like a Nexus Snap is getting right now, or even a Live Good is getting. But just know this is a dope ass online business opportunity. So if you're not that familiar with what GotBackup is, it's pretty much a cloud storage service. All right, this is for anybody who wants to back up photos, videos, or important documents on their phone, laptop, or tablet. So the actual service is $9.97 a month. All right, but of course they got a business aspect to it. All right, so for a one-time $40 fee, matter of fact, I think it's only $20, a one-time $20 to become an affiliate of GotBackup. And this will allow you to promote the service as well as the business opportunity. So I said this in the past, like I wasn't even going to join GotBackup, but once I actually saw the service and saw how inexpensive it was, it just made sense to become an affiliate since I was using the service. So there is tons of ways that you can promote this opportunity, but I'm going to share one with you that I feel that is one of the smartest ways to promote this opportunity if you are on YouTube or you are willing to get on YouTube. Now the name of this strategy, I just made it up right now. I call this the sponsor your own damn video strategy. Maybe you do or you don't know, but a lot of time when people get on YouTube, they are looking to get sponsored, right? They want sponsors, people to sponsor their videos. And that is a great income for a lot of people because just by them making videos, companies are actually paying them, just to mention their product or service, right? A lot of YouTubers are making a full-time income just off of sponsor deals. But the truth is, it could be hard to get a sponsor deal, right? Or, you might just be getting started on YouTube, so you damn sure ain't gonna get, sponsored by nobody if you got, 10 subscribers and 100 views, right? But there's a way around it, all right? You can sponsor your own damn videos, and this is how. So because GotBackup is one of them services and business opportunities that appeals to the masses, you can actually let it be the sponsor of your own videos. So all you need to do is create a short little video ad that you can place at the beginning or even middle of all of your videos. Now this should seem very familiar because you see it all the time, right? Just like the ads that you click off of, right? Whenever you're about to watch a video, or sometimes you be watching a video and the ad just pops up in the middle. You can do the same thing in your own videos. All you need to do is create a short ad. It could be 10 to 15 seconds long and direct people to the description of your video. And this is where you're going to have your GotBackup affiliate link sitting there nice and pretty, waiting for people to click on it. So I do want to say something about your affiliate links, all right? Usually your GotBackup affiliate link is kind of like a long link with your affiliate code on it and all that. It looked kind of ugly to put places, right? So what you can do is two options. One, you can go to bit.ly, all right, and go to a link, any link shortener program, and you can shorten that GotBackup affiliate link. So it's going to be that, bit.ly/51621, right? That's fine. You can put that link in all the description of your videos. That's cool. That's cool. Or you can actually buy a domain name, right? And this is what I kind of recommend if you are really serious about doing this strategy. So what you want to do is go to GoDaddy or HostGator or whoever the hell sell domains. You want to buy a domain, right? Related to GotBackup. So for example, you want to get something like GotBackupNow.com, which I'm sure that domain's probably taken, but find something, damn it. You know what I'm saying? So you want to buy this domain. Now, in most cases, you can get a domain for like $2 or maybe $10, right? $2 to $10, you can buy a domain, all right? So keep in mind when you buy a domain, you got to renew it every year. So it'll be like $10, every year. But come on, man, you running a business, all right? So you want to buy this domain name. I get all mine through GoDaddy. So after you buy the domain name, you want to do what they call a domain forward. So all you're going to do is log into your GoDaddy account. You're going to go to your new URL, right? And you're going to click on domain forward. When you click on that, you're going to take your long ass GotBackup affiliate link. You're going to put that in where it says, you know, forward to. Put that link in there, click save, submit, whatever. Now you wait about an hour. Whenever you click on, now when anybody goes to gotbackupnow.com or whatever your domain is, they're going to automatically be taken to your affiliate link. So now you can post your domain name, your nice pretty little GotBackup domain. You can post that in the description of your videos. Now doing this just makes it's more like visually appealing, all right? You don't have to do that. You can get away with just a link shortener. Hell, you even could get away with just posting the GotBackup affiliate link as is. So some people might be watching this and be like, whoa, wait a minute, Earl. What are you talking about? Like this company, like how am I gonna say this company sponsor me? They're not really sponsoring my videos. Well, this is how you can do it. You're gonna say your domain name is sponsoring your video just to make you feel comfortable, all right? So say for example, you could do a short video ad that says something like, yo, this video was sponsored by GotBackupNow.com. Find out how you could back up all of your videos, photos, and documents while building a residual monthly income. Click the link in the description. Bam! Huh? Think about that. So you can either say that at the beginning of all your videos, or you can pre-record that little video and just put it when you're doing your video edits. Just put it at the beginning or put it in the middle. That's it. That's it. That's a dope ass way, a smart way, an easy way to promote your GotBackup business. After you do that, all you need to do is start cranking out them videos, right? Keep on creating that content, and eventually them sales will start rolling in. So if you were thinking about joining GotBackup, but you was like, I don't know how am I gonna promote it? You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know what to do. You can use this strategy and you can start doing this immediately. Oh, and one more side note about the strategy. You do not have to have a make money online channel to use a strategy. You can have a YouTube channel about anything and still put that ad, still, you know, sponsor your domain name, because GotBackup appeals to the masses, all right? So keep that in mind. All right, that's it. If you want to get started with GotBackup, click that first link in the description and I will see you on the team.